In a world that's moving faster than ever, where distractions pull us in every direction and challenges seem to come without warning, the wisdom of Jim Rohn stands like a calm, steady flame. It's 2025, and yet his words echo louder now than ever before. Why? Because principles never go out of style. They're not trends, they're truth. While the world changes, success still demands discipline. Purpose still needs clarity. And growth still begins with responsibility. Jim taught us that we don't get paid for the hour, but for the value we bring to the hour. That success isn't something you pursue, it's something you attract by becoming an attractive person. And in this moment, when so many are searching for direction, his timeless wisdom offers a compass. It reminds us to work harder on ourselves than we do on our jobs, to value our time more than our distractions, and to build a life through intentional action, not accidental existence. So if you're ready to take control of your life, to rise above mediocrity, and to align with the habits that create lasting success, listen closely. Because Jim's voice may be from the past, but his guidance is exactly what the future needs. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. That one line from Jim Rohn hits deep, not because it sounds good, but because it's the truth we often avoid. In 2025, we live in a world that constantly looks for shortcuts, for easier paths, for ways around the discomfort. But the real breakthrough doesn't come when the world changes, it comes when you do. That quote isn't about guilt, it's about power. It shifts the focus from what's outside your control to what's within it. When you stop wishing for fewer problems and start building more strength, more skill, more wisdom, the game changes. You start to face challenges with confidence because you're no longer hoping life gets easier. You're rising above it. This mindset is what separates the dreamers from the doers. It's what turns setbacks into setups and struggle into strength. Jim's wisdom reminds us that we are not victims of our circumstances, we are architects of our own lives. So the next time life gets hard, don't wish it away. Grow through it. Train for it. Get better. Because everything you want in life is waiting for the version of you who's strong enough to handle it. Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. This principle from Jim Rohn isn't just advice, it's a lifestyle. In a world obsessed with hustle, hours, and output, we often forget the greatest investment we'll ever make is in ourselves. You can grind 12 hours a day, but if you're not growing mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, you'll eventually burn out or hit a wall. Why? Because success doesn't start with what you do. It starts with who you are. Working on yourself means feeding your mind with wisdom, challenging your fears, building character, and raising your standards. It means taking full responsibility for your growth, your habits, your mindset. Your job may pay the bills, but your personal development determines your future. And here's the truth. The more valuable you become, the more value you bring. Opportunities chase growth. Success follows discipline. And the life you're dreaming about? It's on the other side of the version of you who's committed to growth. In 2025, with distractions louder than ever and pressure rising, this timeless wisdom stands as a reminder. Don't just work for a living, work on yourself and build a life that means something. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Jim Rohn didn't talk about magic formulas or overnight hacks. He spoke truth, the kind that builds legacies. In 2025, with constant noise telling us to chase fast results, this wisdom cuts through the clutter like a razor. Success isn't complicated. It's consistent. It's built in the quiet moments, in the daily choices that seem small but shape everything. It's choosing to read instead of scroll, to wake up early instead of hit snooze, to speak life instead of complaint. It's the compound effect of small disciplines repeated with intention. That's where the power is. Most people quit not because they're weak, but because they underestimate the strength of small daily actions. Jim's words remind us, you don't have to do everything today, you just have to do something and do it well. Stay faithful to the little things and the big things will follow. In a time where people crave instant success, be the one who shows up daily, quietly stacking the habits that lead to greatness. Because success isn't some grand event. It's the reward of disciplines you didn't skip when no one was watching. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. Jim Rohn's voice speaks straight to the soul, especially in a world like 2025 where so many feel stuck, overwhelmed, or off course. We look at where we are and feel discouraged, but Jim reminds us, you don't have to arrive tomorrow. You just have to start moving today. That shift in direction, that one choice, it's powerful because it means no matter how far you've drifted, you're only one decision away from a different future. It's not about perfection. It's about correction. Maybe you've been distracted, defeated, or delayed. That's okay. What matters is what you do now. Turn the wheel, shift the mindset. Say no to the things pulling you away and say yes to the habits, people, and values that align with your vision. Every great journey begins with a new direction, not a new destination. Don't wait for the perfect time. This moment is it. The beauty of life is that with one honest decision, you can set your life on a new course. And if you stay faithful to that path, your destination will take care of itself. If you don't like how things are, change it. You're not a tree. Jim Rohn delivered this line with such simple power, and yet in 2025, it feels even more relevant. We live in a time where people feel stuck in routines, relationships, and environments that drain them. But the truth is, you're not rooted to where you are. You're not locked in place. You have choice. You have agency. You have the power to move, to grow, to change. You are never meant to stay stuck. Too often we wait for permission, for circumstances to shift, for someone to save us. But Jim's words wake us up. If you don't like it, change it. No excuses, no delays. Change begins when you stop complaining and start creating. Start small. Change your habits, change your circle, change your attitude, change your focus. You are not a victim of your surroundings. You are the architect of your future. And when you fully embrace that truth, when you stop tolerating what doesn't serve you and start building what inspires you, life opens up. You are not a tree. You can move, you can rise, you can transform. So get up, shake the dust off, and move toward the life you were meant to live. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. In 2025, when motivation fades fast and distractions are louder than ever, this truth from Jim Rohn stands unshaken. You can have the vision, the goals, the dream written on your wall, but without discipline, it all stays in your head. Discipline is the daily commitment to follow through even when it's not easy, even when no one's watching, even when you don't feel like it. It's waking up early when your bed is warm. It's saying no to comfort so you can say yes to growth. It's doing what needs to be done, not occasionally, but consistently. That's the real gap between the life you talk about and the life you actually live. Jim didn't sugarcoat it. He said it plain. The pain of discipline weighs ounces, but the pain of regret weighs tons. And you feel that, don't you? The tension between what you want and what you do. The good news is you don't need to be extreme. You just need to be consistent. Build the bridge. One habit, one choice, one disciplined step at a time, because when you walk that bridge long enough, one day you'll look up and realize you're living the life you once only dreamed about. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Jim Rohn nailed the secret to lasting change in one sentence. And in 2025, this truth is more vital than ever. We live in a world full of quick highs and empty promises. Motivation videos, hype quotes, morning energy bursts. They're powerful, but they fade. That's why so many people start strong and then stall out. Because motivation is only the spark, but it's habit, the quiet, repeated, consistent action that carries you when the fire burns low. Want a better body? It's not the gym membership, it's showing up when you're tired. Want to grow mentally or spiritually? It's not one weekend of inspiration, it's daily learning, reflection, discipline. Habits are the roots that hold your growth in place. They turn effort into identity. They move you from wishing to walking, from dreaming to doing. Jim's wisdom reminds us, it's easy to feel good for a moment, but if you want to live good for a lifetime, you need the right habits. Build them now while the motivation is fresh. Then let those habits carry you on the days when it's not, because that's how real transformation happens. So as you move forward, remember this: motivation may light the fire, but it's habit that keeps it burning. Jim Rohn's timeless wisdom reminds us that success, growth, and real transformation aren't built on emotion, they're built on consistency. Whether you're chasing a goal, rebuilding your life, or stepping into a new season, the key is to stay faithful to the small things that shape big outcomes. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create one through action. Let discipline guide you, let your habits reflect your purpose, and let fear become your fuel. Because everything you're looking for is already within reach. You just have to keep going. Thank you for watching, and if this message stirred something in you, don't just feel inspired, act inspired.